Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add aggressive shake effect on Capcut PC. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Right now you can see that I'm on the editing timeline of Capcut. Now I have imported one of my videos. So for importing you have to just click on import. Now you have to just select the particular video and you have to click open and the video will be imported. Now you have to drag this video to the editing timeline. Okay, now you can see there are a lot of options here. Click on the effects option. So there will be two options like video effects or body effects. Click on video effects, and under the section of video effects still there are a lot of options. Click on nightclub. Okay, now you can see flash vibration, black flash, and so on, but our desired effect is shake. You have to just drag this shake effect to the second timeline. Here it is. You can adjust the length up to which you want to have this effect. Now let's see how it looks. You can see there is shown a shake effect. Now you can also adjust the strength or speed. If I just increase it, you can see that it's shaking more aggressively. You can just decrease it if you want. Okay, this is how easily you can just increase or decrease it. For aggressive shake you can just increase the speed and strength. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.